Alright, the engine came in yesterday, and this is exactly the same engine as over here. So they'll be switching this out with this VTEC engine that came from another Prelude. It's interesting because when they clipped it, they just literally just clipped all the wires from the old Prelude. They just clipped it like from the old car. Literally just like just clipped everything. All right, hey, so explain to us what's going on here. What are we doing?
Off the shift linkage.
Shift linkage, okay.
Yeah, and that's the last thing holding this motor in.
Oh, come on. Okay.
Josh is having a hard time.
Alright, give me the driver.
And so when you take that out, then this thing you're gonna hoist it.
Yep.
And then put this little baby in.
Yeah.
All right. And then what? That's gonna take some big time work.
Yep. Probably take us a week to rewire everything. Or less.
Oh, you finally got it? Good job, guys. It's great that you guys you didn't lose a finger or a toe.
Oh, well, Jacob almost.
Well, this isn't from here, so.
All right, looks like these guys are gonna paint the car first before they put it in the engine. So, leave everything out here. Okay, all right. Josh is just gonna watch everything from the inside the car. Keeping geared to paint. All right, so we're taking this. We're gonna take what? What's the plan here?
From that, I gotta take the transmission, starter, and all the other accessories that come with that onto this engine.
Yeah.
And then, by probably next week, I could probably get it in there.
So that's where's the transmission? That.
Transmission is this thing
Yeah.
with all this
Yeah.
fluid over it for some reason.
Well, we know why the fluid's all over it. Where's the starter?
The starter's gonna be right here.
Okay. And is that it? That's all that needs to be transferred?
Yeah, and then there's the intake.
Oh, the intake? Okay, so those three parts, and then you're gonna put on here?
Yep.
Nice. And then painting.
It comes in like a couple days, so it'll be ready to be applied.
All right, so we're gonna paint this first, and then bring these guys in. Nice.